Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 Harris 220 Solstice. Now, this is a used boat that we have in stock, and I just want to give you guys a quick walk around because if you're looking for something that has a little bit of hours on it, but is still new, showroom-like quality, this is something that you really should be interested in. So let's do a quick walk around. I'm going to show you what all it comes with. So we got 150 horsepower Mercury on here. For a 22-foot boat, this is a really, really good powerhouse of a motor to have. Not only that, you got a 3-blade stainless steel prop here. That makes the ride just that much better. Gives you the optimum performance that you need for this package. Now, looking at just the outside of the boat, we have black anodized rails with this midnight blue fence. Gives it a really, really nice look. And another thing to notice, it does have a Vantage pontoon wrap on it. This keeps the tunes nice and clean, nice and new, and also adds a really nice aesthetic appeal to it. Let's go ahead and hop in the boat here and show you some key features. So first thing to notice, you obviously have some really nice JL Audio speakers back here on the ski bar. This really provides a ton of sound, a ton of punch to whoever's on the boat, or even you can flip them around and face them back towards the skier, and just makes everybody's life nice. So now we step inside of this boat here. Really nice wraparound seating. Still have these nice little loungers here. Plenty of storage underneath all of the seats. And guys, when I say showroom quality, I'm not joking. This thing is in great shape. Really, really good shape. Let's go ahead and step further to about midship here. You see we have a dual Helm seat design here. Makes it really, really nice to be able to communicate with everybody in the boat very easily. Now, the Helm design on the 2019s, really, really nice. You can see very well taken care of and still looks like it just came out of the showroom. Features a Simrad chart plotter right here. Makes GPS and chart plotting just extremely easy, and also have the ability to have a fish finder in there. Now, if you check out these gauges in the middle, these are extremely good gauges, the same gauges they use on the 2020s, and just you can see an unlimited amount of information through here. This boat actually only has 35 hours on it. 35 hours, that's nothing. Pretty much an engine break-in, so you can take the boat and be completely mind-free and get out on the water with little to no effort. Now you also have some really nice amenities on here. You have a full lighting package on the inside, which is RGB. So you see here, I changed those lights to orange, and underneath these seats right here will be a nice orange glow. Now, another thing I want you guys to notice, we got a 12-foot bimini top on here. 12-foot bimini top. So it stretches all the way from the stern of the boat here at these loungers and comes all the way up to our helm up here. So you can see 3/4 of the boat is completely covered from the sun. So it makes it really, really nice. Very cool, nice ride. Come up here to the bow seating. You can see you have some nice long loungers. Very easy to sit out and stretch your legs out. And again, extremely clean boat. And what we have here is just storage upon storage. These Harris boats are really good about doing that. Then you also have a center ski locker included with this boat. Awesome, nice feature with a bilge pump built into the back to prevent any water from getting in there. All right. Guys, one thing I really want to point out too, yes, this is almost a brand new boat, but it does have a really nice feature. It has a 1,000-watt JL Audio amp here, and then it also has an additional 200-watt JL Audio amp. Now, this is powering those speakers that are off the back ski bar and also powering the rest of the speakers on board here. So that just gives you a little reference for how well this boat is taken care of and how much you cared about the overall experience. All right, guys, I'm Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, please contact us. Thank you guys for watching.